Hello, this is Wesley Clark with Byzantium Wealth Management. Yesterday, I gave you an overview of the financial planning pyramid diagram that I created based upon my 30 years of financial advisory practice. I encourage you to view the first video if you haven't already, and then watch this video. What I will talk about today is one of the four foundational stones within this financial planning pyramid diagram, in this case, debt. More importantly, having no debt. Why should you consider that? If you're, like I said, if you're young, if you're a young family member, young family as far as husband, wife, children, whatever the situation, even if you're middle-aged, whatever the case, this is a very essential foundational stone that you should have before you do anything else. No debt. Why is that? Today, the household consumer debt level is at record highs, $18.2 trillion. Credit card debt, the average credit card interest rate is 21.37%. These numbers are significant. These numbers also talk about the heavy weight or burden a person can place upon themselves, and it can just creep up on you. You can start out slow and just take on more and more debt, and before you know it, you're a slave to your debt. You're not even in control of your life anymore. You're just trying to work to pay off debt and try to play catch up, and that's not a pleasant position to be in. And as the debt free, basically it's saying the exception only mortgage debt being allowed with the goal to pay off that mortgage debt quickly. I'm going to share with you a quick story. I remember I was stationed in George Air Force Base, California, in Victorville, California, no longer in existence. They shut that puppy down. And I remember meeting a young couple. I think I must have just been at a gas station or something like that, just from memory. And he was in the Air Force. His wife was from the Philippines. Really nice couple. But we talked about, somehow we got on the discussion of finances. And they said, we don't have any debt. We never plan on taking on debt. Now, if we fast forward 47 years later, I'm pretty confident that they are probably sitting very well and doing very well if they stuck to that. Just like if you stick to these four foundational stones, you too will be sitting much better in a much better position that by age 65, by age 40, whatever your age is, as you grow older and you have this habit of not getting into debt. It's not a factor of keeping up with the Joneses. That's not the issue here. Your role in this life is not to keep up with somebody else. Somebody else is not your archetype. It's not your what you strive for. You should ask, and like on my podcast I've had before, for myself and for you, what is the best version of ourselves? Am I at the best version of myself financially? And if not, why? And many times it's because of the debt load. Now, I talked with you yesterday about how this pyramid is upside down. Most people go ahead and talk about, investing in speculative stocks, going big and losing it all. This is what I want to propose to you. Whatever debt you have, let's just say that you have a credit card debt with the average credit card rate being 21.37%. If you're investing, there's no reason for you to invest. You pay down that debt, you are in essence getting a return of 21.37%. You're not going to do that if you invest in the S&P 500 index. There's no value. There's no value. To add insult to injury, if you have a large debt load, and if you're dependent upon two incomes, and you lose that one income, that's going to put a heavy, heavy weight on you. You're going to feel pressure like you never felt before. And worse, if you are the sole provider for a family, you've got a heavy debt load. And let's just say out of no fault of your own, you incurred, you get laid off or you get fired, whatever the case, you get injured. Once again, You're going to get in a hurting status. You're going to be in a position where credit card companies will add penalties and up the interest rate. You'll get dunning calls. You might have to ask your relatives, can you help me? And it's just not a position to be in. It's not a pleasant position to be in. So, what I would recommend, if you're a single young individual, don't get into debt. If you're a single individual and you have debt, pay it off. Don't invest. Get that foundation stone taken care of. If you're a young married couple, discuss the debt. Talk about setting up a plan to pay off the debt. If you have children, same situation. Whatever position you are in life, it's never too soon to start paying down and off your debt. I'll continue the discussion tomorrow. As I said, we still have 3 foundational stones. We'll go talking about the emergency fund tomorrow and the importance of establishing that for yourself and why. Until then, appreciate you guys. Take care. God bless.